Hi, I'm Jane Peyton and I'm the principal of the School of Booze in my favourite London pub, the Victoria in Paddington. Today's tutorial is about beer. What is beer? Well, beer is the world's favourite alcoholic drink and it's made by fermenting cereal sugars. You need lots of water, you need some malted barley or other cereal, you need some hops to give bitterness, aroma and flavour, and you need some yeast to ferment the sugars and turn them into alcohol. Now I'll talk more about how it's made in another tutorial, but if you think of beer as a tree, there are 3 branches in that tree. One of those branches is ales. That includes porters, stouts, India pale ales, golden ales, many more. And then there's another branch called lagers. That includes pilsners, hells, dunkels, bocks, lots of other types of lagers. The third branch is sour beers, lambic. That's a Belgian style of sour beer. Gerzers, faro. You can also put other sour beers into that branch as well. And I'm going to talk about sours in another tutorial because there's so much to say about beer. But for today, the tutorial is over, and I'd just like to say at the School of Booze, you do your homework at the pub, and your textbooks are these 2. Now it is actually the same book, it's just a different cover, but you can buy them on my website. I'll sign you a copy with my best fountain pen. Cheers!